Capital One versus Chase Travel Portal. Which is better? In this video, I will explain each and everything that which one is better. If you're favorable for Capital One or Chase, I will explain each and everything that which is the best for you. So let's dive in. Both card allow you to book in portal and also transfer to the selection of travel partners. In my opinion, Chase win because the portal game, right? Because you get 1.25 point per dollars versus the one-to-one with capital one. Because of this, when we need to book travel flights or something hotel, we always use Chase. It's very easy to book in the Chase portal. Just search for your hotel or flight, and when you check out, you will just pay with points. Put any remaining balance on your Sapphire and you will earn 5x point on that spend, right? So if you are going to transfer points, Chase win for this too, because I could much more rather stay at Hyatt Resort than the hotel of choices of Cap One, right? So, Cheese give you a lot of, choices that you can, book any of the hotels and you will get points and you can use that point to book another hotels. On the other side, Capital One doesn't. Capital One just give you a very low choices of hotels where you have to book only on those hotels, which is I don't like, right? So I hope you found this video very useful.